I'm in a frying mood. Green plantains, yellow plantains. Let's get this done. Hey guys, welcome back to Belqui's Twist. Today I am really excited because I am making plátanos fritos. Now what is that? It's fried plantains. I am making green plantains and yellow plantains today. So what is the difference? This baby used to be this baby just a few days ago. So when a plantain is picked, it's usually green, and then once it ripens, it becomes a lot more yellow, as you can see. And then the more ripe it is, then it starts getting black. Now this is when it's optimal for a sweet plantain. So it'll be really, really tender. It becomes obviously sweet, like I just said, and it's optimal for frying and having kind of like its own caramelization. And with the green, you're having more of a crunchy plantain. It's not as sweet. And this I love to have with mojo. So mojo is made of oil. I like mazola corn oil, and a little bit of cilantro and garlic. And this can also be served with that, but it goes so much better with this because this one's a little more tart. So let's go. Let's make it. They are done frying. Look how beautiful the yellow plantains are. They're so caramelized that they actually were breaking up when I was pulling them out. And the green ones look yummy too. Now I want to make the mojo. Okay, so the mojo is going to require very little. It's very simple, but very flavorful, has a nice punch to it. So I'm going to add a little bit of, in this case, I'm going to do corn oil. So maybe 1/4 of a cup, if that. And then I am obsessed with these little cilantro, semi-dried cilantro. They last about 4 weeks. I should say actually they're lightly dried. And it really saves me time in the kitchen. And for something like this, I really like it because it's broken up so small that it's just perfect. It just fits right in and you don't get big chunks of cilantro. So I'm just throwing in a little bit. Just a tad bit, maybe like 1/2 teaspoon or so. And then garlic. Again, I'm obsessed with anything that's gonna save me time because I am a mom. So this is garlic in paste, and it's absolutely amazing and helps because it's fresh for weeks. And I just put a tiny little bit in there and kind of drop like maybe, if that, maybe like 1/4 of a teaspoon or just a tiny little bit, or to taste. And then now we're gonna mix it together. and it's gonna be delicious. And like I said before, I really love it on the green plantains. It just makes it so flavorful and tasty. So I love it. Now I'm just gonna stir a little bit more, and I really should have had a fork, but hey, I'm already here with a spoon, so it will have to suffice. It's gorgeous. I love it. I just love it. Look at that. Oh my God, gorgeous, beautiful. Okay, so now I want to taste. So I'm Dominican, so we're gonna eat this with our fingers, hands. So I'm gonna take a plantain. I'm gonna start with the green one because really that's like the best one for this. And then I'm just gonna pour some on top like that. Oh my God, it's beautiful. I love it. Nice and crunchy. And you can get the pieces of the garlic and the cilantro. Just perfect. I love it. I urge you to make these, really, because it's so simple. And see, I'm like stuffing myself. For the plantains to get this ripe, it'll probably be like 5 or 6 days. Just put them in a brown bag or just a plastic bag from the grocery store and leave them in a place where they don't get a lot of light. And then they will turn, as you saw at the beginning of the video, nice and dark. And then you can fry them like this. So sometimes I'll go and get one batch of green and then let them get ripe. And then when these are getting ripe, I go get the green, and then I can cook both at the same time. And now I'm digging into the yellow plantains because I can't go without having. Now these you normally would eat with a fork, but I don't have a fork here, so I'm just gonna taste it anyway. So good. So good. So sweet. I can eat both of these, and I can put some of that on here, but I really love the sweetness of this so much that I'm gonna leave it alone. I'm just gonna enjoy it because it's so good. So, I'm gonna see you next time, okay? If you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe at the bottom, okay? See you later.